2022 Honda Civic. This could be used for like a 21 as well, maybe more. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance light. We're going to be using this roller button right here, maybe the home button to go backwards, and then the roller button you could push down as like an enter. So I'm going to go and get closer to the instrument cluster so we can get a better look. Okay, everything's done on the left side. Use your roller button to find, I believe, settings. There it is, settings. Push the roller button for enter. And then we're going to scroll down. You got TPMS, meter setup, lighting. Just go down until you get to maintenance. There it is, maintenance. And now push the roller button down for enter. Now it'll say maintenance reset, and it'll say like what item do you want to do. You can do all items, and then item A, item 1. There's a bunch of different options you could program for like your oil change or your tires. Most people just have it like pretty much all of their items on like 1, and they just all do items. So I'm going to go and push enter. And it says reset complete. And that's it. And then to go back, you just want to push home, and then you can kind of scroll away to get off that. Home again if you want. And that's it, guys. That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer, and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.